A wild Labubu! And a rare glimpse at its nest! And no wonder, Mama Labubus are kinda shy. Uh-oh, she's gonna miss the big event! Aw, they imprinted on you! Aren't you lucky? Well, we might as well bring them home. And redecorate while we're at it. Here, LaBabies, we've got a place just for you. Take a look around. Right, it's kind of empty. Well then, we'll just need to make something. Add some paint. Now, let's cut out a nice Labubu shape. Of course, Labubus need to be soft and fuzzy. And we can't forget that iconic face. Besides, you're the star of our new couch. Of course, the real stars are the cushions. And look, there's room for all 5 of you. Looks like you guys could use something to watch. Let's grab a box and whip you up a TV. First, why not have it match the couch? Next, some odds and ends to help it get good reception. I wonder if you can get streaming on this. We need to get these babies caught up. After all, they were just born and all. Just wait until they get to season 7.
Wow.
Silly Labubu, you can't draw on the wall.
No.
Besides, nothing goes with yellow. Still, let's indulge your creativity with a brand new easel. Some hot glue will keep these joints in place. Your canvas is ready, so let's make you some paints. Complete with your very own palette. Poke some holes. We'll need one for each color. Now just add all the colors you want to paint with. Of course, primary colors work best. You can make all the ones you need. Still, this Labubu is already thinking orange.
Wow.
Oh, look, he drew his favorite model. You just know that's going on the fridge. Oh, the LaBabies are so well behaved and quiet. A little too quiet. Let's make them a game. Fold up some paper and make a few cuts. But it's just one of many different parts. Can you already tell what we're making? It's a Labubu crane machine game. After all, what could be a better prize? Okay, babies, why don't you give it a whirl? I think it's time we gave you an allowance. Okay, step right up and win a prize. Wow, that was easy. Let's see what you got. Even Labubus can't resist the Labubu craze. Ooh, some Labubu cut the cheese. I'm sure we can craft up a solution. Let's just give this Labubu a third dimension. Give the ear a push to test things out. After all, our Labubu latrine needs a good flush. Looks like Pinky wants to break it in. Just make sure you don't break it altogether. Give it a flush and make sure it works. It does! Now you'll need some toiletries. Ugh, you're a mess. We need to fix that. This egg will help Easter come early this year. Tie a band around it. Flip the shell on its side. And soon, you'll have your very own bathtub. Add some water beads and, of course, water. Ooh, now that's what I call a bubble bath. But you're gonna need something to scrub with. Look, it's our old pal Sponge Boy Labubu pants. Now let's help everyone see your shiny face. Ah, nice and clean. Well, at least one of you is. We're gonna need something for a quick fix. These matchboxes will really get things cooking. Add a cover and some decorations, probably ocean themed. Plus a mirror and whatever you find on a sink. Voila! Now let's clean you up. We only need a little bit of soap. Add some water. That's much better. But your teeth are a special case. But it's nothing a little brushing can't fix. It's always best to add a little extra sparkle. Guess all that cleaning made you hungry. But first, we need to get organized. We'll need something to hold food first. Still, we want to keep the theme going. Can't forget those little Labubu paws.
Cool.
Next, let's mix up some glue and coloring. Yeah, orange is kind of her thing.
Wow.
Now it's time for our secret ingredient. Make some crumbles and give them a nice soak. Use them to cover up our flat Labubu friend. This guy will make the perfect fridge. He's just so cool. Wow, must have been a speedy delivery. Our LaBabies are simple folk. All they need is some simple formula. Warm milk's the all-time, all-5 favorite. Wow, the kitchen's really coming together. You know, roosters don't usually lay eggs.
Yes.
But when they do, it comes with a candy surprise. Want a spoon? Or at least a napkin? Oh, I see. You have an idea for the shell. What's in the other half? Oh, one of our sprunky friends. And more importantly, a suction cup. Next, grab some yarn and add it around the border. The interior could be a little cozier too. Add a cute little seat while we're at it. Soon, you'll all get a seat at the table. Okay, babies, put your paws up and relax. But we're not done with the surprises just yet. Let's start with a simple box. It's break time. Hold on, that's not coffee. But you know what they say about trash and treasure. These pins are just what our oven needs. Can't forget some stovetop buttons.
Cool.
Or that lovely Labubu touch. but we'll need something to cook with. Like a handy-dandy Labubu pot. Aren't you cute? But what are we gonna cook? Oh, delicious broccoli! And they look like trees! Hope these babies are hungry. Uh-oh! I think they just ruined their appetites.
Oh my god. Phew.
Calm down. Hydrate! Wait, that's it! Take that cup and add some slits all around. Open it like a flower. Now pluck some petals. Add a little bit of hot glue. And another cup. This will help clear up all this mess. Just remember to put everything where it belongs. Good idea. You don't want to touch some of these things. But it still needs a human touch. Some things are too precious to toss. Ah, the whole house looks brand new. And look, we've even got a full spread for the LaBabies. Wow, this whole place looks amazing. And to think, they were born outside Labubus. But yeah, these guys are totally housebroken. That was fun, but it's time for the LaBabies to say la-bye-bye. Okay, it's time to whip our sprunky friends into shape. Can't take the heat? Stay out of the kitchen. Now, how about you try some of our special witch's brew? Aw, they grow up so fast, don't they? Pinky's the gift that keeps on giving. Come, sprunky friends, you're free! Free!
Yay! Wow!
Pinky could use a new paint job. There's plenty of room in here for all sorts of colors. Ooh, the carpet matches the walls. Careful with that phone! Oh, it just isn't a Waxus's day.
Phew.
But this phone gives me an idea. Let's make a new one out of cardboard. But it could use a few good legs to stand on. That hot glue should help keep it in place. Add some paint. Guess it's time to think pink. Don't forget the logo. Add a few good stickers. Now it's the perfect place to hold our phone. One girl's phone's a Sprunky's widescreen TV. Now pass the popcorn. My favorite show is on. Hey, Sky. What you doing with that marker? You know, you really shouldn't draw on the wall.
Oh no!
But I guess every artist needs their medium. Of course, we prefer paper crafts. Add sticks to keep it sturdy. And a paper belt. Soon, we've got our own Pinky printer. Can we have some paper? Thanks, FunBot. Now we can make art without having to wash the walls. Soon, we'll have cards for all our friends. But for now, let's do a little decorating. Now, Funbot, it's not nice to hit your friends. Here, let's make a bunch of paper boxes. Now twist and tie until we've got a paper accordion. Add to the box. Speaking of boxes, we need a big one. Make some room for the mini boxes on top. Draw out some keys. We're making a piano. Music brings all of our sprunky friends together. Now, Funbot, you can fill the room with music. And without using a bass